Our little stars from kindergarten are all set to take you on a magical journey into the world filled with chocolates, candies, and imagination. We are proud to present a delightful skit inspired by the famous story Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Welcome to the magical chocolate world. This is a tale of a kind boy named Charlie Bucket who lives in a small house with his family. Charlie is not rich, but he's always hopeful and full of dreams.
Charlie, did you know I used to work in Willy Wonka's chocolate factory?
Really, Grandpa? What was it like?
Oh, it was magical. Sweets melted everywhere and candy as far as you could see.
Why did Mr. Wonka close the factory, Grandpa?
One day, some workers stole special candy recipes and gave them to the other factories. Mr. Wonka was upset. He closed the doors and sent everyone home.
The chocolate factory had been closed for many years, and no one knew why. It was a mysterious legend, always locked and full of secrets. Meanwhile, Charlie's dad reads the newspaper to the family. Willy Wonka, the owner of the greatest chocolate factory, has announced a special surprise. Somewhere in 5 delicious chocolate bars are hidden golden tickets. Whoever finds one will be invited on a magical tour of the factory.
Charlie, would you like to try and buy a Wonka chocolate bar?
You might get lucky, maybe even win a golden ticket.
I wish I could, but we only get chocolate once a year, and that's on my birthday. Well, today is your birthday, so this bar is a special gift from us. Thank you, Dad and Mom. Maybe this will be my lucky day.
Charlie and the family were disappointed.
Welcome to the most exciting contest in the world. People everywhere are searching Wonka bars, dreaming of sweet adventures. One by one, the lucky winners are found. First, in Germany, a boy named Augustus Gloop finds a ticket. Next, in England, a girl named Veruca Salt is lucky enough to win. The third ticket goes to Violet Beauregard, a champion gum chewer from America. The fourth winner is Mike TV, who loves television more than chocolate. But there's still one ticket left to be found. Who will be the fifth lucky child to visit the magical world of Willy Wonka's chocolate factory?
Charlie found some coins lying on the road. Excited, he ran to the nearest shop and bought a chocolate bar, the famous Wonka bar. As he unwrapped it, Charlie's eyes grew wide. Inside was a shining golden ticket. People in the shop noticed and whispered, offering money to buy the ticket. Charlie held the ticket close and ran home.
Grandpa Joe, look, I found a golden ticket inside my chocolate bar.
Oh, Charlie, that means we can visit Mr. Wonka's factory. This is the luckiest day ever. My long dream has come true.
Willy Wonka, everybody give a cheer. He's not as clever and so smart, he barely can restrain it. With so much generosity, there is no way to contain him. Tick-a-tang, 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 tick-a-tang. Oh, hooray! Willy Wonka, he's the one that you're about to meet. Willy Wonka, he's a genius who just can't be beat. The magician and the chocolate whiz, the best darn guy who ever lived. Willy Wonka, here he is.
Hello, children. I am Willy Wonka. Welcome to my chocolate factory, where everything is made of sweets and dreams.
Wow!
Now, please remember, in my factory, good manners and kindness are sweeter than any candy.
Augustus Gloop looks at the chocolate river.
Oh, chocolate river. I want to drink it all.
Augustus leans in too far and
Oh dear, off he goes to the fudge room. Remember, greed can be sticky.
Augustus Gloop, the great bakery nincompoop. Augustus Gloop, so big and vile, so greedy, foul, and infantile. Come on, we cry, the time is right to send him shooting up the pipe.
But don't dare children be alarmed.
Augustus Gloop will not be hard.
I am always the best gum chewer. But this gum isn't ready yet. I will try it anyways.
And suddenly, Violet turns into a big blueberry.
Chewing all day brings trouble your way.
Listen close, listen hard. Little Violet Beauregard. This little girl, she sees the room. Chewing, 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 chewing. All day long. Chewing, chewing, all day long. Chewing, chewing, all day long. Chewing, chewing, all day long. Goes on chewing to the last. Chewing muscles grow so fast. Though it feels so giant, chewing touches like a violet. Chewing, chewing, all day long. Chewing, chewing, all day long. Chewing, chewing, all day long.
Daddy, I want a golden squirrel. Now, patience, young lady. I don't want patience. I want a squirrel.
Veruca stomps onto the nut sorting machine and disappears down the chute.
Being selfish is never sweet.
Veruca Salt, the little Brit, has just gone down the garbage chute, and she will meet as she descends a rather different set of friends.
Can I go on the TV like chocolate?
No, Mike, this machine is not for children. So, how many children are left now? It's only Charlie now. Ah, Charlie, you've been honest, humble, and kind. You deserve the sweetest prize of all. I just wanted to see the chocolate, Mr. Wonka.
There's a party going on right here, a celebration to last through all the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We're gonna celebrate your party with you. Come on, celebration. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. Celebration. We're gonna celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on! Yeah. It's your celebration.
Congratulations, Charlie. You have won my chocolate factory. But there is one thing you must know. To run the factory, you need to live here all alone without your family. I'm sorry, Mr. Wonka. I can't leave my family. They're everything to me.
Charlie's love and kindness taught Willy Wonka an important lesson. Family is most important than anything else. Even the biggest, most magical chocolate factory could not bring him happiness without loved ones by his side.
Then I will give you the factory, and your family can come live here with you. Together, you can make the chocolate factory a happy place for everyone.